friends and families, how are you all doing? Welcome back. It's your girl Estelle, and I hope you all doing good. So my friends, this week video is how to season and fry your fish for a later use. It's a common recipe that doesn't require a lot of effort, and trust me friends, you would love this recipe if you give it a try. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So my friends, the fish I'm going to use today are tilapia fish, but when it comes to this recipe you can use any type of fish you want and it will still taste delicious. Yay! And next I've got a combination of vegetables which I am going to use it to infuse the oil prior to frying the fish, and they are a small portion of fresh thyme, a small portion of rosemary, and a medium size of white onions which I've cut into pieces, and finally 3 fresh garlic cloves which I have cut into pieces as well. And for my dry seasoning, which I'm going to use it for marinating the fish, are 1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper. Next are 2 tablespoons of mixed spice, and next I also have 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 bouillon cube crushed, and finally some salt to taste. We must merely make a start. Next, add all the dried seasoning together and give it a good mix, and taste it first to make sure the salt level is into your desired taste, and if not, add a bit of salt, mix it well and set it aside for later. Now, as I always said, that whenever you are working with any type of fish, you want to make sure that you get it out of the fridge about 20 to 30 minutes before you start cooking. This is going to help to take the chill out of the fish and ensure that the fish cooks evenly. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always. Next, it's time to start marinating our fish. Pour some of the marinade into the fish and give it a good massage until it's well coated. Then cover it. Then marinate it for at least 1 to 2 hours. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, next it's time to finally fry our fish. At this point it's been 2 hours I've been marinating the fish, and it's now looking well marinated, so it's time to fry it. Let's all take a ride. To get started, set your fire from high to medium. Then when the oil reaches temperature, add in the fresh rosemary and thyme and let it infuse with the oil until it begins to look dry. Then remove it. Follow by adding in the fish. Then add in the sliced onions and the garlic, as this would help to infuse your oil and also add more flavor to your fish. Then fry it until it's cooked to your desired taste. Yay! I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone. Okay guys, our fish is now cooked. Take a look to how crispy and moist our fish looks. You can add this to your favorite stew or soup when cooking and it will taste delicious. Or you can add this to your kenke or aloko fried plantain and it will taste delicious. So guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever tried the recipe, to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.